Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 15b. Practice Suratul Ikhlas verses 3 and 4. Let's take Tajweed tip number 15. Practice for long breath. You can recite Suratul Fatiha in just one breath. This is just for practice. In Salah, it is better to recite one ayah at a time. So let us start. You can recite with me. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladhina an'amta 'alayhim ghayril maghdubi 'alayhim waladdallin. Alright, so now let's take the part of Suratul Ikhlas, the last two verses. So we can start from beginning. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad. We have lam yalid wa lam yulad. Lam yalid. There is qalqala at dal. So you don't say lam yalid. No, lam yalid wa lam yulad. Wa should be very clear. Don't say lam yalid wa. It's not English V. It's not V. Whenever you say wow, you have to make your lips round and then open it. Wa. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. In the beginning, you can exaggerate during practice, not during recitation, so you get control. Wa lam yulad. Again, at the end, you have qalqala. So, can you repeat after me? Lam yalid wa lam yulad. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. Again. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. Again. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. Wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Wa. Again, make sure you make your lips round and then open it. Wa. Wa lam yakul lahu. There is no noon there. Noon will be completely gone. Merged with lam. Yakul lahu. The end has mad. Lahu. You have to stretch double. So can you repeat? وَلَمْ يَكُلْ لَهُ. وَلَمْ يَكُلْ لَهُ. Again. وَلَمْ يَكُلْ لَهُ. And when you say who, any madda, you have to make lips round. Who. يَكُلْ لَهُ. No. Lahu. Make your lips round so it will be very clear and distinct. Kufuwan ahad. Here, kufuwan. 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 No. Kufuwan. Okay, repeat. Kufuwan. 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 Okay, don't say kufuwan. No, don't merge it. Kufuwan. Kufuwan. Ahad. A should be clear. Ha should be clear. And again, qalqala at the end. Ahad. 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 So let us take the verse. وَلَمْ يَكُلْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. وَلَمْ يَكُلْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.